Look, I got my game on lock now. I had a reason with the drugs to slow down. Cause by the pace that I'm smoking and them friends that I'm losing, it's like a truck that broke down. I had plans with this rap bullshit. Fuck this new cast, they all know who the king is. Well, I fucked it up by smoking a lot of cock. I'm backtracking my ways now just to figure out what's really happening with me. I could literally see that the drugs are killing me, and my girl is losing me. Cause you know my plan G. By the time she met me, I was focused, I was hustling like damn crazy. Then I made new friends. By the time that was down, and the drugs make sense, cause they gave me the pride. No excuses, but the bruises they were so. Daba di my song, and I'm sorry, ding susi. They be talking about me, abantusi. Bavona bwipilo butata marabantusi. They can see I'm having problems, abampusi. Mukoko kinaka sota ka abakuti.
I love my country, I love my people, I love my homeboys, I love my family. So much love, you don't know. What am I about? You misunderstand me. Take me for granted, you don't get me. The streets are bitter, even worse in winter. As they get colder, I need that shoulder. The one to lean on, man, I love my country.
I am blaming anyone on this bullshit. The journey is mine, and I'm very sorry I told you. I thought we friends, but I'm very sure it's not true. Cause the pain that I'm feeling, it should have hurt you. But I'm a man, it's hard time, I toughen up. I got the hunger to the ribcage, I buckle up. I take notes on my wrongs and I fix them up. I pray God every night, just wake me up. Cause I'm a man with a lot of plans, but nowadays it seems like they ain't making sense. And it's bullshit how I find interest in this powder. The more I'm trying to quit